So today guys, we're gonna make stir-fried pancit canton. So we're gonna need this one. And we have sesame oil, nori seasoning, oyster sauce, and soy sauce, and black pepper, fresh black pepper. Okay. For proteins naman, itong gagamitin natin. May yan tayo, squid, chicken breast, I had one crab, and then shrimps. Kinat ko na siya, cleaned, and then sineparate ko lang yung fish heads. This one also, I have a cabbage, carrots, and bell pepper already washed. So ready to mix na yan later on. Okay guys, so start tayo. Stir fry lang natin yan. Oil. You can use corn oil, sunflower oil. Just don't use olive oil for this one. Next is onion. I'm gonna start with shrimp heads. We're gonna next yung chicken breast natin. Celery here. Lang celery na spring onion na dahil natin. So ano na siya, medyo half cook na siya. Okay, it's fine. Magbabagsak rin yan later. It will go back. Lagyan natin si ito. Seafood mixing natin. Half cup soy sauce now. This liquid nori seasoning. Sesame oil. Sabay-sabay na siya maluto dyan. Some people, they stir fry first the vegetables. You can do that also. Depends on you. So nag-half cook lang tayo ng noodles, then half cook ng seafood. So magbi-beat up sila later. So approximately 1/4 cup oyster sauce. Yan, pag medyo nagda-dry out siya sa baba, you can use little water para mag-steam siya, para hindi siya lumikit. You can use water or you can use some oil, and then if you're gonna put oil, just lower the fire. But if you have wok, you have pressurized cooker, it's better you have that one. Mas mabilis. So this one we're gonna wait for the noodles to cook lang, and it's done. I'm gonna cover this one.